Hello guys, and welcome back. This is Harmonweb, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to increase your file upload limit via Cpanel. File upload limit via Cpanel means like the maximum upload limit. Like for example, if you're running WordPress and you want to upload a particular file of 128 MB, sometimes you might see that it says that this file exceeds your file upload limit. For example, you might have a default of 8 MB file upload limit. How to change that to about 1 gig file upload limit, 500 MB, 128 MB file upload size. That's what I'm going to be teaching you guys. And before I get back into it, today's tutorial, make sure you watch this video to the end. And the amazing part is that you get 40% off discount code at the end of this video. What? A 40% off discount code. Okay, so now let's get started. You need to log into your Harmonweb client area first of all. I'm logged into mine. Then scroll down and go to click on Cpanel. Log into your Cpanel account. I'm already logged into mine already. So in this search tool here, you can just click and search for multi PHP INI editor, which we can see right here on your screen, which you can see here. Okay, multi PHP INI editor is what we are going to be using. So now let's click on that. Okay, it's going to take you to this page. Then select a particular domain name that you're trying to increase the file upload limit. Once you are here, you scroll down. You're going to see two memory limits. Okay, we have the first one, which is the um post maximum size. Okay, and we also have the upload maximum file size. The one that we are going to need to change is the maximum size of an uploaded file. You also need to change this also. Same data that you put in your maximum file size should be the one that you should put on your post maximum size. Okay. So now this is set, the max upload maximum file size is set at what, 2 MB. This is 2 MB, while this is what, 8 MB, and this is 128 MB megabytes. Okay. To increase this, all you need to do is just clear the two in front of the M. Make sure the M is there, um which means the megabytes or megabytes. So I'm changing it to 128 megabytes. I'm also changing this to 128. Okay. Once you are done, make sure you click on the apply button right there, and it takes just few seconds. Then as you can see now, it says what, successfully applied the settings, meaning your new maximum file upload limit is now 128 MB. You can increase this to much more, to 1 gig, which is 1024 MB, to 1 gigabyte. Okay, just increase both, then click on what, apply changes. Okay, so now the discount code that I'm going to be giving you guys. This discount code gives you 40% discount off your next Harmonweb purchase. Okay, very fast and easy. We have a video on that you can watch on how to apply the discount codes. Okay, see you guys in the next tutorial. Have a great